Electric bikes are now slowly proliferating into the mainstream. So we have motorcycle companies like Harley, who've just launched a bike called the Livewire, which is here in the exhibit. But also what you see here are custom bikes that are come from all over the world, but these are all based on an electric design, which is very unique to the motorcycle industry at this point, because we're still using internal combustion engines as the predominant technology.
It's really important to celebrate the electrification of motorcycles because it's a really booming industry right now and not a lot of people are talking about it.